Hello and welcome back to another IB Math Speedrun with me, Vince. In this one we're going to be going through more integration by parts involving questions where we have to integrate by parts twice. So let's jump right in. So the first question we have is to integrate the following indefinite integrals. I mean, there's not much to talk about. It's just that sometimes we have to integrate by parts twice to get the answer. So 2x squared e to the 2x dx, and we need to integrate this by parts twice. We can already see why. So we want to make this u is equal to 2x squared, u prime is equal to 4x, v prime is equal to e to the 2x, and v is equal to 1/2 e to the 2x. So what we end up with is that this is equal to uv, so that's x squared e to the 2x minus the integral of 2x e to the 2x. Okay, and then now, what's this? It's from the last video. We need to integrate this by parts again. So we can do that by saying u is equal to 2x, u prime is equal to 2, v prime is equal to e to the 2x, and v is equal to 1/2 e to the 2x. So this will be equal to x e to the 2x plus the integral of uv prime. So this would be e to the 2x. And the integral of e to the 2x is simply 1/2 e to the 2x. So this will be plus 1/2 e to the 2x plus c. So the resulting integral is e to the 2x times x squared minus x plus 1/2 plus c, of course. Never forgetting the plus c. So yeah, let's just check that's correct. 7k it is. Yep, that's correct. Okay. Next question. So the next question is we need to integrate x minus x squared times cosine x dx. So let's integrate this by parts twice. U is equal to 1 minus 2x. X minus x squared. U prime is equal to 1 minus 2x. V prime is equal to cosine x. V is equal to sine x. So we have this is equal to x minus x squared sine x minus the integral of 1 minus 2x times sine x. And so we need to integrate the second one by parts again. So we have u is equal to 1 minus 2x, u prime is equal to -2, v prime is equal to sine x, v is equal to negative cosine x. So this is equal to minus uv, so it's actually plus 1 minus 2x times cosine x, and then we have plus the integral of uv, so this is equal to the integral of 2 cosine x, which is of course equal to 2 sine x. So plus c. So if we combine this all together, we get 2 plus x minus x squared times sine x plus 1 minus 2x times cosine x plus c. So this is the resulting one. Yay. Oops. Can't draw. Okay. Yep, that's correct. Now on to the next one. We have is equal to the integral of x cubed times e to the x over 3 dx. So we're going to integrate this actually 3 times. So the first one is u is x cubed, u prime is equal to 3x squared, v prime is equal to e to the x over 3, and v is equal to 3 e to the x over 3. So this is all equal to uv, which is 3 times x cubed e to the x over 3, minus the integral of uv. So this is 9x squared e to the x over 3. So now we need to integrate this again by parts. So we get u is equal to 9x squared, u prime is equal to 18x, v prime is equal to e to the x over 3, and v is equal to 3e to the x over 3. So this is equal to minus 18 times 3, 54, x e to the x over 3, and then plus the integral of, 9x squared times 3. So this is 9 times 3 is only 27, so this is minus 27x squared e to the x over 3, and then plus the integral of 54x to the e to the x over 3. And so finally we need to do it a third time. So we have u is equal to 54x, u prime is equal to 54, v prime is equal to e to the x over 3, and v is equal to 3e to the x over 3. So we get this is equal to plus 54 times 3. So it's equal to plus 162 x to the e to the x over 3 minus the integral of 54 times 3. So minus 162 e to the x over 3. And we know that this is equivalent to minus 162 times, so minus 486 times e to the x over 3. So this is all in all equal to 3x cubed minus 27x squared plus 162x minus 486 times e to the x over 3. So yeah, that is the integral. That looks good. Plus c. And then on to the next question. We have integrate the following definite integrals. And we have the first one is pi over 2 and 0 of x squared sine x dx. So we know u is equal to x squared, u prime is equal, actually wait, no, ignore that. U is equal to sine x. Actually, it doesn't really matter which way we do this one. Actually, it does. Sorry, I take that back once again. And we're integrating x squared, we're differentiating x squared. So u is equal to x squared, u prime is equal to 2x, v prime is equal to sine x, and v is equal to negative cosine x. So we have, this is equal to the integral of pi over 2 to 0 of x negative x squared cosine x minus the integral of from pi over 2 to 0 of 2x minus 2x cosine x. And then to integrate this, again, we do it by parts. So we have u is equal to negative 2x, u prime is equal to negative 2, v prime is equal to cosine x, and v is equal to sine x. So we have this is equal to negative minus pi over 2 0 of minus 2x sine x plus the integral of minus 2 sine x, which of course is equal to cosine x, so plus 2 cosine x. So all in all, this is equal to negative x squared cosine x plus 2x sine x plus 2 cosine x between pi over 2 and 0. So let's evaluate this integral. So this is equal to pi over 2 cosine x is 0. So 2x sine x, so this is 2 pi, no, it's just pi. 2 cosine x, 0, and then 0, negative x squared cosine 0, 0, and then So we have 2 cosine x, so this is pi minus 2. So the final answer should be equal to pi minus 2. Yep, that's correct. So just pi minus 2. And next we have the final question, which is the integral between 1 and 0 of x squared over 3 e to the 3x dx. So again, u is equal to x squared over 3, u prime is equal to 2x over 3, v prime is equal to e to the 3x, and v is equal to 1/3 e to the 3x. So this is equal to 1 over 9x squared e to the 3x minus the integral of, I'll put the limits in later. Let's just differentiate first. uv prime, so we have 2 over 9x e to the 3x. So again, integration by parts here. So u is equal to 2 over 9x, u prime is equal to 2 over 9, v prime is equal to e to the 3x, so v is equal to 1/3 e to the 3x. So this is equal to minus u times v, so minus 2 over 27 x e to the 3x plus the integral of 2/9 times 1/3, so 2 over 27 e to the 3x, which should be equal to 2 over 81 times e to the 3x. So now we can evaluate this. So we have 1/9 x squared e to the 3x, and the limits are again 1 and 0. So let's do this. So 1/9 x squared e to the 3x would be 1/9 e to the 3 minus 2 over 27 e to the 3 plus 2 over 81 e to the 3 minus 0, 0, so this would just be minus 2 over 81 e to the 0, which is 1. So finally, here we have 9 minus 6 plus 2, so 9 minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 5, so we get 5 over 81 e cubed minus 2 over 81. And I believe that's the answer. Yeah, so that is correct. So that was all for the speedrun. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one.